Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Eero Plus and parental controls configurations, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Eero Plus and parental controls configurations, ensure you have the Eero app installed on your smartphone. Open the Eero app and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your network information. Tap on the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. In the Settings menu, locate and select Network Settings. Scroll down to find the Backup option. Tap on the Backup option to initiate the backup process. You will see a confirmation message prompting you to confirm your backup. Select Confirm to proceed with backing up your configurations. The app will then create a backup of your current settings, including Eero Plus configurations and parental controls. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the backup is finished, you will receive a notification confirming that your settings have been successfully saved. To ensure that your parental controls are backed up, go back to the main Settings menu. Locate the Parental Controls section and click on it. Review the current configurations for each device under Parental Controls. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your backup. After confirming your settings, return to the Network Settings menu. If needed, repeat the backup process to ensure all configurations are saved. Keep a record of your backup for future reference. You can access this backup whenever necessary by following similar steps. If you need to restore configurations in the future, you can do so through the same Settings menu. This process ensures your Eero Plus and parental control settings are safe and recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.